Welcome to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to reverse a video in CapCut. So let's add this piece of media here onto our timeline, and let's say I want to reverse it. All you need to do is highlight the clip and come up to here, the middle bar, and select this little circle with the triangle in it, which is the reverse button. Press that and the clip will start reversing. Now, depending on the length of the clip will determine how quickly this takes to do. Now, this isn't a very big clip, so it shouldn't take very long. However, I'll speed this up so we get to the end very quickly. So there you have it. That's the video clip reversed. So now when we watch it back, you can see in the background the sea is going outwards rather than in. So that's how to reverse a clip within CapCut. I hope you found that video helpful. If you did, hit the like button, hit the subscribe, and thank you for watching.